sound played just as much a role as it does in Transformers, but in a completely different way. You're not fighting with dialogue. That actually sound is the movie. It was really cool to see people at the level that they're at get giddy, like legitimately giddy about doing this. And that was really fun. That energy was contagious.
Un lugar tranquilo, ya disponible en versión digital.